sit there.
1, 2, 3.
Bro!
Hiya pa, oo.
Sige.
Sige. Na naman. Nabrush ko na eh.
You're gonna write this down. Write this down.
I wanna hear your song.
I wanna hear-
Okay. Gusto mo marinig? Una.
This is not whispering, right?
Kanya. Nakita. I don't even understand. Ay, ganito na lang. Ganito na lang. Gusto ko sa chorus na lang.
Okay, go.
Nagusto kanya.
I want you. What?
Nagusto kanya. Di mo na
Oh,
alam.
I want you. I like you. You didn't know. You don't know. Ah, get it.
Yan siyang sabihin. Nagusto kanya.
Ay, sabi na pelikula. He wants to.
Di mo lang alam.
You don't know.
Kasi
Because.
nahiya lang siyang sabihin sa'yo.
Hindi mo na kasi.
Harot,
Ang sabi.
Sabi mo, Andy?
Yeah, 18 lang. PBB teams pa rin.
Paya na.
How old are you, Andrea?
18.
Oh,
1 year, bro. Okay na yan, bro.
Okay lang yun. Madagdagan naman yung age niyo. Mukha ka ng bata.
I just turned 17. Hug mo ako. Hug.
Nagkakaturn mo. Image ka ng brother mo.
Andrea, is it
Same as your brother?
is it okay? Andrea, is it okay if Kobe will put his arms on your shoulders?
Bakit para tayo yung mga... Mga
Bakit
intriguity.
para tayo mga ano, parang yung...
Yes or no? Yes or no?
nanay.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Kobe, do you want to put your arms around Andrea?
Ito talaga inaantay ko.
We're establishing
May love
consent.
team sa ano, host
We're establishing consent.
Oo.
Si Andrea pumapayag
We need
na.
to be okay with it.
Kobe, do you want to put your arms around?
But if
She
you
said
don't,
yes already.
It's okay. If you don't wanna... Ayaw ka nasa sayo.
Can we try? Can we try?
Guys, apamigo
Ay,
mo.
na.
Luwag yan. Luwag yan.
Who's your like type
Ano,
sa PBB house?
kami.
Uy, may tanong ako kay Kobe. Sinong type niya sa PBB house?
Yeah. Who do you find the cutest here?
Except for me.
Do you think it's...
Alam ko naman nagkakaroon.
Shut up. I think it's Chico. Ah, Andrea. Yang bugil. Ang pigil daw yun.
Kaya po kinangkapay.
Ay, may
Kobe said.
Alam mo yun si Andrea, halata. Halata kasi every time na parang may gagawin si Kobe. Kikilig agad dyan.
Kobe,
Andrea,
Kobe, it's okay for her to wrap your
Type lang
arms
naman
around
eh. Type lang
If
naman.
it's okay with you, why not? Diba? Consent, diba?
Wait lang,
Consent.
I have a question. Andrea, who's your like type sa PBB?
Ay, alam na. Alam ko yan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi naman,
Sa boys,
hindi
hindi
naman
pa
type
the
agad.
cutest sa
Oo, type
boys.
lang. Parang
Si Kuya.
Ay! You only have 7 choices.
Nagtanong ako na yan kay Andy.
7 lang eh. Tama.
napakalakas ng loob.
Oh, go na, Andy.
Nagulat si Kuya. Huh?
Andy, address it.
Harot, bibibitin. Sumibik, sumibik.
Andrea, sino nga?
Patawagin naman ako.
Sino nga? Answer. Sino?
Yun naman.
Sino nga?
Answer ha.
Baka di siya komportable, baka di siya komportable. Pero andyan na siya.
Say it na.
Sign language.
Si
Kobe. Ay, si Kobe ba? Nagipaslipan.
Chico, you have to let him go.
Wala sa tono.
Grabe naman siya ganun. Is it Anbi?
Time na kayo
Is
sa
it
ganito
Anbi or Korea Anbi?
Korean
Or
daw eh.
Korea?
Korean daw.
Anbi is
Korea.
Kodria.
Korea.
Kodria, bro.
Korea mas...
Korea.
Korea.
Korea? Korea talaga basta.
Korea.
Ikaw nagbaon na yan.
Kodria, brillante. Bro,
South
Anbi,
Korea,
bro.
eh, no?
Anbi, so you can call her an you can call me Bibi.
Andrea, Kobe, who is the cutest girl in the house?
Bakit ka mamumula, pare?
Answer the question.
tinitingnan ka na ni Andrew.
Who is the cutest girl in this house?
Kumanta tayo.
The cutest girl in the house.
I
My dad's
Gian talaga.
Andrea! Andrea! Who is the cutest guy in this house? Who?
Pulang-pula na siya.
Anong kamay niya?
Tingnan mo nga siya.
Chico! Your baby bro is
Guys, you're blushing. Ikaw,
Cisco! Look! That's my name, Cisco. Can you like wrap Kobe with your shawl? Like, parang you're thinking para I share him the warm. They have to Just do it!
Gusto ko naman.
Chico, Chico, Chico! Chico, babe! Oh my God! No, this more. This
No.
Oh, she got it!
You're more than me,
Oh my God, Chico.
Chico, I'm still
Yes,
here!
yes.
You know what?
You guys
Okay, if we
spend time.
bring her to the polo.
Oh
my God!
baby.
Oh my God! More about that. Three of us. Wait! The plan to go to the polo is Kobe, Chico, and I. May +1 na pala. Akala ko +1 dito eh. Ay, Justin naman. Justin naman. Akala ko nga ako yung +1 eh.
Wait, I have to see this. Make us bye, make us bye. Wait, smile. 1, 2. Wait, dami niyo ng hairstyle. Ay,